Tell me what you're investigating. What was your question?
How each material affects the ice.
And what do you mean by effect?
Like how fast it melts.
Iodized salt and sea salt.
And then we're using confectionery.
And confectionery sugar. And regular sugar. And what else?
Blue food dye.
And blue food dye. So you have, is that 4 things that you're testing? 5. And you're deciding or looking to see if those things melt it faster.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And how are you going to know?
So I like measure the ice, like the height and the width.
Watch facilitators lead a group of youth in developing their own investigations. Youth are asked to come up with questions during the Ice Cube activity. Staff listen and ask purposeful questions to guide youth as they explore and test their ideas. Youth choose their own supplies, conduct mini experiments, determine how to measure and collect data, and discuss their unique observations with frontline staff.
What is the effect of salt combined with metal on ice compared to ice and metal? So you're comparing 2 different things. All right? So talk me through what's going to happen.
So we're going to take 3 ice cubes, and one of them is going to have sea salt on it, and on top of the sea salt, we're going to place a paper clip.
Okay.
And then the second one is just going to have a paper clip.
Okay.
And then the third one is just going to be straight ice.
Okay.
Because that's our controlled variable.
Okay, and why is it important to have a control variable?
The comparison.
So that we can prove that what we're doing to the ice actually changes it.
All right, so you have some kind of way of telling whether there's a difference being made.
Should we do a timer or stopwatch? Like, should we have a time limit and then like stop it and see how
see, like,
we
oh,
should
what
make
is
a
the
time
effect
limit?
after
10 minutes?
Yeah. Yeah.
After
5, 2.
So checking in along the way to see what's going on. Okay, well, one last question. What do you think's going to happen?
Melt.
I think the one with salt, the indentation, then like it's going to be deeper.
We did the different types of salt and how it affected them, but we wanted to see the amount of water that it collected from the drips.
Did you come up with the same conclusions as the other group? Let's hear.
Yeah, the sea salt melted it better than the iodized salt.